How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 72 Oldsmobile 442 numbers match 455. Super nice car. It's restored a few years back, come out of a doctor's private collection. So all the bumpers have been redone on the car. The original grille in excellent shape. I dig the hood with the two scoops and the black stripes. All the stripes are painted on. Super slick paint on the car. And again, this is a numbers match 455. This car's loaded with options. It's got power steering, your power disc brakes. It's got cruise control, tilt wheel, power windows, power trunk, AM FM 8-track, power top. See the rear bumper just gleaming in the sun. Super straight down the sides. I'm sure there's a couple options I've left out. All your front and rear sway bars, F41 suspension package, posi rear. Motor compartment's all detailed, very nice. It's got the dual sport mirrors, remote on the driver's side. See how nice and clean the doors are. The interior in this car is the original interior. It's all in very, very good condition. Super nice old car. Got the factory buckets and center console. It's got the glass rear window and the convertible top. Now we picked the car up, we drove it home, put about 50, 60 miles on it. Drives out beautifully. And this is a car you just get in, go to any show, go to your cruises. Just a very, very nice car, guys. All original body panels and floors in it. It was a good, clean car. Got the correct bell tips on the back, the bugles they call them. Stock type dual exhaust. Okay, it's just a really, really nice car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. We're just here at our new facility. It's one of the very first cars here.